Hey guys, so this is the first time I am using my oven to bake a cake. Can you see the oven is on? Can you see the pan in there? So I just want to check my cake now and bring it out from my oven. Can you see, guys? Okay, so I'll use my hand holder to just bring the pan out. Can you see, guys? Ooh, can you see the cake? Oh, see my cake, guys. So this is the first time I'm going to bring it out now. Okay, using one hand. Hey guys, so this is the first cake I baked in my oven. So I'm just going to go around with my knife. Wow guys, this is the cake. This is it. Let me flip it over. Can you see there are no burns? So beautiful. Oh, see the cake. Guys, can you see? So now let me just cut. Ooh, I said I. Can you see? Ooh. Can you see how fluffy the cake is? Probably cake. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.